Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable reading goals in book on iPhone. But as always, before we continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your settings apps on your phone, of course. I'm gonna open it right now. After, you just have to look for the books option. I'm gonna scroll it down, and here you are. When you see it, just open it. Now again, you have to scroll it down and you will see reading goals section here, and in the option reading goals, show time spent reading and other achievements in Apple Books. If you want to enable it, you just have to swipe in the toggle next to reading goals, switch to the right like that, and yeah, if it is turned green, that means it's already enabled. Here under it, you can also enable the include PDFs option. Just tap on the toggle like that. And to enable the reading goals, you just have to do the same way by swiping the toggle next to reading goals, switch to the left like that. So yeah, I'm gonna let it enable. And to save it, you just have to go back to the settings page by tap on the undo arrow at the top left. That's all guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.